Hello, and welcome to IF Global Management Training. If you are thinking of creating a high-performing team, you are in the right place. If you are our loyal viewer or new to our channel, we welcome you with an exciting topic. Today's topic is building a high-performing project team. Projects are collaborative endeavors that require diverse skills and perspectives, so having a high-performing team is essential to the project's success. As you imagine, project teams can often encounter challenges that hinder their progress. One common challenge is a lack of clear communication. Another challenge can be unclear roles and responsibilities. Conflict and personal work styles can also create friction. Lastly, a lack of trust can undermine the entire project. Okay, high-performing teams are characterized by key dynamics contributing to their success. One crucial element is a shared vision and purpose. This fosters ownership and accountability. Open and honest communication is another mark for high-performing teams. Their trust encourages them to collaborate and to have mutual respect for each other. The action plan to build a high-performing team. Building a high-performing project team requires a proactive and structured approach. So, start by clearly defining the project goals, deliverables, and success criteria. Some of the strategies to build a high-performing team are: Strategy number 1. Carefully select team members based on their skills, experience, and personalities. Inquire individuals who not only possess the technical expertise, but demonstrate strong interpersonal skills, collaboration, and a commitment to achieve shared goals. Strategy number 2. Defining the roles and responsibilities. Clearly define the individual roles and responsibilities to develop a high-performing team. Assign responsibilities based on skills, experience, and interests. Document these roles, then regularly review and refine roles as the project progresses. Strategy number 3. Ensure alignment with project goals. Ensure each team member's role and responsibility are aligned with the project goals. Facilitate open discussions to explore the project goals in detail. Confirm every team member understands how their responsibilities contribute to the project's success. Motivate the team members to ask questions and share their perspectives on shaping the project's direction. Finally, create a visual representation of the project deliverables. A project roadmap, Kanban board, or other visual tools can help team members visualize their contributions and track the project's objectives. If you need to know about Kanban, listen to our video, which is dedicated to Kanban. Strategy number 4. Delegating decision-making. Delegating decision-making is a powerful way to foster ownership and empower the team. Start by identifying which decisions can be handed off to individual team members. When doing this, think about each person's skills, experience, and what they might need to grow. It's important to set clear boundaries around what decisions they can make. Make sure team members have access to the information, resources, and support they need to make informed choices. By empowering the team in this way, you give them the authority to make decisions related to their roles, which encourages them to take ownership and learn from both their successes and failures. Plus, this delegation allows leaders to focus more on strategic issues, knowing their team is capable of handling important tasks. If you found this video helpful, remember to connect with us so you don't miss our latest tips and tools for managing projects. Feel free to share this video with your team or anyone who could benefit from it. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with us, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Strategy number 5. Establish clear communication channels. Implement regular team meetings and status updates to ensure the information flows efficiently within the team and stakeholders. Encourage open dialogue to address any communication barriers. Establish clear communication channels for feedback and escalation of issues. Strategy number 6. Fostering a culture of trust and empowerment. Trust is the basis of the success of a high-performing team. The project team is more likely to communicate openly, collaborate effectively, and support each other in achievement when they trust each other. Fostering a culture of trust and empowerment requires conscious effort and consistent action. Start by creating an environment where team members feel comfortable. Ensure the team members input their ideas without fear of judgment. Therefore, foster a culture of respect by promoting active listening and constructive feedback. Finally, organize team-building activities that allow members to connect on a personal level. Strategy number 7. Sustain momentum by implementing continuous improvement and adaptation. Building a high-performing team is not one and done. It requires regular assessment of the team's performance, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing actions to increase team effectiveness. Strategy number 8. Foster a culture of learning and development. Encourage team members to acquire new knowledge, skills, and experiences. Provide opportunities to develop professionally and support their growth within the organization. A learning-oriented team is better equipped to change and innovate. Strategy number 9. Implementing recognition programs. When you create a culture of recognition, team members feel valued and appreciated for their hard work, and it increases their commitment to the project. So, this can be done by implementing recognition and reward programs to motivate and engage the team. For instance, peer-to-peer recognition, where team members can nominate each other for their contributions, or formal awards for exceptional team members' performance. Recognition programs can vary widely, from simple verbal acknowledgments during team meetings to more structured rewards. The key is consistency in recognizing the efforts and achievements of the team members. Additionally, consider implementing a system where team members can set personal and team goals, which, when achieved, are celebrated collectively. This not only motivates individuals but also reinforces the importance of collaboration and team effort. Remember, recognition is not just about rewards, it's about creating a supportive and appreciative culture that values each team member's contributions. By doing so, you not only enhance team morale, but also drive sustained high performance and commitment to project goals. Implementing recognition programs is a powerful tool in the project management toolkit. It's a way to show that you see and value your team's hard work and dedication. As you build and refine your high-performing team, keep recognition at the forefront of your strategy. It is a small effort that brings significant returns in team cohesion, motivation, and overall project success. There you have it. Consistency and dedication are your best allies. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your experiences on team building? What challenges have you faced, and how have you overcome them? Don't forget to check out our other videos on project management tips and tricks.